Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H7. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll find the headlight assembly located behind the front bumper, which we will access next. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. Begin by carefully removing the two plastic clips that secure the bumper cover near the headlight. A flathead screwdriver works well for this. Next, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well to gain better access to the headlight assembly. Finally, locate the electrical connector attached to the old bulb and disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling it free. This clears the path for removal. With the old bulb exposed, unclip the retaining spring that holds it firmly in place. Once unclipped, carefully pull out the old bulb. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Now, insert the new H7 bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated correctly and securely. Re-engage the retaining spring to lock it into position. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Then, push the fender liner back into its original position and resecure the two plastic clips on the bumper cover. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working properly before driving. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.